look on the maintenance instructions, it says to put some oil in there, and I think it's time. Definitely time. Alright, I got this H.V.A.C to work on today. It's not making ice. Let's get into it, we'll see what it's doing. Hey man, I'm not a turd chaser, I'm a refrigeration guy. It's a Manitowoc with a failed TXV. Here's our pressures on startup. On the high side with 181. And switch that, it doesn't matter. So on the high side with 181, low side 2.5. Then I got the valve over here. I was playing with the bulb to see if I can get it to feed. It won't feed. Of course, your condenser fan's not going to run because your head pressure won't come up. So we got us a failed expansion valve. And that's what it'll look like right there. I'm on a Duke RUF 48M. It only takes 4.5 ounces of 134, but this coil is hammered, leaker. You guys can see all that. Usual suspects. Yep. So I'm gonna put some flux up here, sweat that out clean, and I'll probably just cut the cap tube back with the cap tube cutter. Probably back here. We'll see if we can get into this for you guys. Alright, for the new guys, they do make a cap tube cutting tool. This is it. You'll find it at the parts house next to the cap tubes. God, for years I used to cut cap tubes so many different ways. And then I saw this sitting next to the cap tubes, JV cap tube cutter. Sure, let's do it. Works killer. I love this thing. So that's just a heads up. Sides are getting busy. If I can get it to focus. Pull this out. That's how good the cap tube cutter does. That's the sweat out with the flux on it. Keeps it clean. That's what that ends up looking like. And this coil, absolute shredded. And the battery's dead in the stat, but it's still not coming on. Low spot in the roof, right where you need to work on these. I love it. Like if it was right there, you'd be fine. Oh man. Ochata!